Saurabh, you tell us then, why do you believe that the examinations, where do you stand? Do you believe they should be postponed or not?
Before I go to whether I believe it should be postponed or not, there are two more problems related to it. One problem is this, that private colleges have started taking admission on the basis of class 12th boards, and they are very good colleges like VIT, SRM, Thapar, and multiple other colleges, right? So if the government is allowing them to take the admissions, then what about the second line of students who don't qualify JEE and who are taking these colleges at the second chance to get the admission? Second thing is that there is a policy issue. The policy issue says that an engineering aspirant can give examination only twice in his life, one when he is in class 12th and one the very next year. So if we cancel the exam this year, the policy also has to change, right? So these two questions has to be first answered before we go ahead for whether we are going to postpone it or not. So obviously there is challenge in certain states.
So you're saying that you're saying that private colleges have already started the admission process, and therefore the fact is that other students would lose out a year. Sudhanshu Trivedi, if you can hear me now, why is the BJP government adamant, the Modi government adamant exam must go on next week? There's floods in Bihar, in UP, in Gujarat. People are saying, students are saying they'll have to travel 100 kilometers and more to reach the place. That must go on next week. There's floods in Bihar, in UP, in Gujarat. People are saying, students are saying they'll have to travel 100 kilometers and more to reach the place.
Rajdeep, are you getting my voice?
Yes, I am. Sir, if you can switch off your TV, it will help us.
First, I would like to correct you that it is not the adamancy of the government. Even the Supreme Court has also given a directive that the examination should be conducted. And the matter is sensitive with all due concern about the security and health safety of the student. One thing I would like to add, those students who are aspiring to come or all from science background, and in scientific language I would like to say, anything which you are demanding, you are saying postponement, then it must have discrete numeric quantification. How long? 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, when can be more than 1 year? And second thing, if somebody is saying that there is a problem, of course, if the doctors are working in the most hazardous condition, then those aspiring doctors should also think of. If the engineers are working, the automobile sector is working, and on the border the road construction is going on, then the aspiring engineer should also think over that. So it's not the question that I'm also asking, Rajdeep, your cameramen are working or not? So everybody is doing and started living up with this. And second thing, if the session becomes zero, what happens? The thousands of students who would have got the opportunity, they will be left with no other opportunity. And next year, all other will be another aspirant. So it will have two cumulative years, or furthermore third cumulative years of effect. So I think their demand can be that the proper corrective preventive measures should be taken, for which the government and authorities should have to and will have all the requirements done. But as far as getting everything zero is concerned, again, people are traveling in the aeroplane or not. If you are saying that in the Vande Bharat, those pilots and the staff which was going to take those people, are they not putting their life in danger? And they are the young people. Young people used to come up and bring the major changes in the life. As far as certain areas are concerned, you are saying yes.